Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. A couple quick clarifications. Number one, I'm trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that walks you through the basics of futures and all of that. And as a maybe a little bit of info that might get you interested, the pattern day trading rule. If I say that and your blood pressure starts to boil, there is no pattern day trading rule in futures. So you can trade as often as you want and with not a whole lot of money, which brings us to my next point. Not a whole lot of money. I am trading futures through a prop firm. As far as what is a prop firm, if you just go to that link that you see up on the screen, it'll walk you through not only what a prop firm is, but take you to the prop firm that I'm using. And in a nutshell, though, prop firms just allow you to put very little of your money on the line, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So that's just the basics of a prop firm. So that is the context here. And we will see what happens. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, looking to pick up a scalp here down at that green line on the NQ here. Oh, you can see it bounced not quite where I wanted it to be. So my entry point was slightly off there. So all right, we'll go back to the drawing board. I will pause. Well, keep it going here as I might be able to get some sort of back test. I'm in and out, and in the blink of an eye, you missed it. Whoops, let me fix my screen annotator real quick. There we go. Whoops. Down here you can see the $60. You might need to scroll back. It was a very quick trade, but that is what I'm looking for, just a scalp. And I am looking for another potential one here as it continues to break down here. Just trying to chase the momentum, just get a slice of that momentum. See if I might look to got 2 contracts now. There we go. So on all that, now up 145. So just a bunch of little scalp trades within there. Again, while I was in the trade, this is, hopefully you saw the fluctuating numbers there, but when the dust has settled at 145, and yeah, let's try. Another one down here. So out there, so now 205. Again, just trying to get the slices of the momentum. Not a huge, not a lot. Let's see. That is the low of the overnight session. Let's come down here. See if I can get one down at that area. Fake break of those lows. Okay, so several trades here. Like I said, just scalping momentum, getting a slice of it. We'll see if it wants to come back down. I will pause. All right, looking, I'm on a separate account now. So you can have multiple accounts within a prop firm. So I'm on a different account right now, looking to buy down here at the green line again. Just looking for a scalp. Just doing micros on this one. 3 micros. Let's come down a little bit more. I'm in.
Order filled.
No, I was not on micros. I take that back. Whoops. Well, that worked out my... No, yeah, that's correct. I was not on micros. I was on the NQ. So I was thinking, all right, if I get this $18, again, I'm willing to, do some more. But now I'm up 180. So that was a mistake in my favor. Whoops. Yeah, that's awkward. I won't complain about it, but yeah, that was, I won't try to play that one off. Why don't you let me know? I'm sure some of you are on your computer. Clay, you said micros, but I see that NQ up there. Whereas if this was micros, that would say right there the M and Q. Ugh. Well, I'll take it. I mean, I'm happy about that, but yeah, that was not what I intended to do. All right, so I 180 on this account. Very good. I was up 200 something on the other account. So it's not even 10 minutes in, up over $300 right now. So yeah, and then right there, the 205. So the 205 and the 180. What is that? 385, if my math is right. I'm not a math genius. But 385, and like I said, it's now just 940. So 10 minutes, 385, right? Yeah, 385. I will take it. I'm wondering, should I take one more here? Yeah, I have a stop. I could build up. Yeah, I'm just talking to myself right now. So yeah, we'll try this real quick. Just going to be one, so not going to be anything big. Definitely making sure that I'm on my... So want to get filled here. Look for just a quick move to the downside. If it doesn't... Whoa! Whoa, what holy smokes. It's 9:41. There's no news or anything that would have come out. Whoa. That was wild. Yeah, let me check. So we always have somebody that posts news in our chat room. So right here, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Yeah, there's something at 10:30. It's like I said, 9:41 when that happened. So who knows what that was. By the way, shout out to CJ Mack for posting the news every morning. Wow. Well, why didn't I do way more size than that? That was like a 40-point spike. All right, well, on that note, I'm going to just go ahead and call it good. I'm not even going to try to do the math. We'll call it right around $400, I think. So 400 in basically 11 minutes. I'm not sure of many places in the world where you can make 400 in 11 minutes. Again, spread across a couple accounts. And I don't say that to brag. I do say it to build perspective, though. I know it's easy to look at social media, see numbers, and be like, oh, geez, I'm not doing very good because I didn't make $10,000. Yeah, but would you ever go up to somebody making, 25, 30, 40, 50 bucks an hour and be like, I made $400 in 10 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. You would never do that. Why? Because you understand that would make you sound like a greedy savage. So make sure you have good perspective as a trader because it's very easy to lose perspective within the world of social media and all that. So, even if you just made $50 in 10 minutes, seriously, $50 in 10 minutes, you would never go up to somebody making $50 per hour and be like, yeah, I made $50 in 10 minutes. I'm not very happy about it. You just would not do that. So keep perspective. It's an important thing to have. So, just kind of watching. Do I want to make one more? I'll just be disciplined. And then a couple things before I go. First, I do want to personally invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So you can go to claytrader.com/live or just look at the link in the description box for when the next live class is. But this is a very important class that will ensure that you're approaching the markets with the right framework. People approach the markets and they sort of understand how things are supposed to work, how tools should be used. But then there's a lot of people don't quite get the full picture. And that's totally fine. If you're just struggling or you're brand new, well then yeah, odds are if you're brand new, you just don't know what you don't know. And if you're struggling, well yeah, you're probably missing some of the framework. You're missing some of the big picture. So this class will show you how I build consistency, how I manage risk, and just how to make sure that you're approaching the market in the most logical and wise way possible, which is something that I would argue everybody probably needs to do. So make sure you check out the class. And again, if you want to learn more about the prop firm that I'm using, just go to claytrader.com/take profit, which is what you saw at the top of the screen the whole time. In fact, I'll just bring it back as I talk about it just in case. So right there, claytrader.com/take profit, and you can go check that out. And make sure you use that link because we're always running promotions, and that link will ensure you get the best deal available whenever you are watching this video. So thanks for hanging out. As always, if you appreciate these videos, they're not the easiest thing to make, trying to talk and be live at the same time. But if you appreciate it, hit that like button. And if you want just a super easy and free way to support the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Take care. Thanks for watching.